What if I told you those static photos on your phone could actually become a mesmerizing video in minutes? With this AI tool, I am going to show you a game-changing way of bringing your images to life. This is also what most creators have used to grow their online presence, where they monetize videos created from ordinary images without even showing up on camera. Now, there are many AI tools that can easily turn your images to videos, but we are going to start with Vidu AI. Since it offers both paid and free versions, you can get to this website through the link in the description. And what you want to do to be able to use their website is to go ahead and sign up for free with your Gmail account. Now, this AI offers the ability to create videos from text prompts, create videos from images, and to maintain consistent characters for different kinds of videos using a single image. These settings right here allows you to make some adjustments. The general style is for normal realistic output, whereas the animation style will help you to create a video that looks like a sketchwork or cartoon. You can also adjust the duration and mode of your video, but these default settings is for free users. Now, if you actually don't know what to create, you can click on Inspire Me, and this AI will generate a random prompt idea for you. But we are going to enter our own prompt. Let's try something like a lady on a blue dress playing guitar at the beach. Then let's click on Create. And this will cost 4 credits out of 80 credits monthly for free users. But I'm going to show you how to maximize these credits for free so that you can create more videos for yourself. And here we have a 4 seconds video generated in less than 30 seconds, which is very impressive. The output is very nice, and I really love the water movements at the background. The character's face is also consistent, but the quality of the video is actually not good enough. So we are going to use the upscale feature for us to get a higher video quality. And right now you can see everything, including the character, is very well detailed, which is really amazing. Now, if you click on settings, you can see that we created that video using the general style. So let's try the animation style. With the same prompt, then click on create. Now here is the output. The character's face is very clean and consistent as she moves her head. I tried upscaling the video and the result is very neat. Now let's try creating a video with an ordinary image. And let's try this photo of a little girl holding a rabbit. Then click on create. And here is the output. This is really amazing. The zoom effects and the rabbit's reaction, they are very realistic. I use the upscale feature and I must say that the outcome is really nice. Now let's try the reference to video feature that will allow us to create consistent characters within different video scenes. Here is a portrait photo of a lady looking at the camera. Now let's enter some prompts like drinking coffee in a restaurant. Then click on create. And you can see the image and the lady in the video are very much alike. And here is the upscaled version. I really love the warm tone of the video, even the movement of the person in the background. It's very cool. Among other AI video generators I've used, Vidu AI is really mind-blowing. But in case you are on a free version, the best way to get more credits is to have multiple Gmail accounts. This will enable you create endless videos as the limits reset every month. And if you want to learn how to make money with this method, check out this video.